Hello everyone, it's Peter here from Garden Goodness Australia. I'm really excited to show you about our November giveaway. To enter the giveaway you need to spend $60 in store here at Garden Goodness Smithfield, and I'm going to show you what you will win if you are drawn out of the raffle to be the November prize winner. We start with a houseplant grow kit for an umbrella tree. You get the soil, the seeds and the beautiful pot included. We also have a microgreens kit. So this one is great if you're looking to grow your own really healthy microgreens at home. So that's right here available in store as well, but you can get it for free if you enter this draw and win. We've also got organic calendula from Herbal Goodness Australia. So this is beautiful dried calendula, perfect for making a very refreshing cup of tea. So you've got a full container of that from Danielle. We also have a couple of seeds of your choice, so you get to pick which 2 heirloom seeds you want. So that's available from our seed stand at the front of the store. You also get a beautiful pair of garden gloves from Cyclone, lovely pretty ones there. And to cap it all off, you get a beautiful timber garden trug. So that's really convenient for carrying things around in the garden, your tools, when you're doing your repotting as part of your repotting station. So you've got this whole collection here for your November prize giveaway. Again, as I said, to enter, simply spend over $60 in any one transaction in store at Garden Goodness Smithfield. You can enter more than once. So if you come in 4 times in the month of November and spend $60 each time, that's 4 entries. So have a think about what you might want in store. Come in and shop at Garden Goodness Smithfield, and hopefully you're going to be the lucky person that wins this beautiful gift pack. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck.